Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski on this Friday morning, shortly after 7 o'clock. The winter storm warning out west downgraded to a winter weather advisory as the snow is winding down here. That will go till 9 o'clock this morning. Meanwhile, this will continue until noon today in south central Nebraska as we are still seeing some snow impacts that could last through about the middle of the day. Snow will wind down from north to south as the day goes on, wrapping up by about mid-afternoon, I think, is when the snow should be done. Some sun comes out later today, mostly up north. Strong winds throughout the day out of the north, which is going to keep that colder air in place. Those north winds will die down tonight. Skies will clear up for the most part, but with some snowmelt expected today, even if it's not that sunny, it should melt just with solar radiation. With that higher sun angle in March, some of that solar radiation gets through the clouds. Plus, temperatures are still going to get near or above freezing today. But with all the snowmelt, we could see some fog develop later tonight out here in west central and southwest Nebraska. It quickly burns off. We'll get plenty of sun for tomorrow. Tomorrow, one of those rare days where the winds aren't that strong. Maybe a little breezy in eastern Nebraska, and maybe a little breezy here to the northwest. But most of us, the winds will be a little bit lighter, 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow night, then, light winds continue and clear skies continue as well, taking us into a breezy but a very nice Sunday on the way. And we should rapidly see snow melt this weekend. Additional snow. So we've already seen a lot of snow, especially for you folks that live in the North Platte vicinity. Additional snow the rest of today. I would say 1 to 2, 3 inches of snowfall, mostly near and south of Interstate 80. There may be some isolated 4-inch amounts in a few spots. And again, some places are going to get those higher amounts, but most places will only be getting 1 inch or 2 of snowfall. That's kind of what happened in North Platte. I'm guessing there's a lot of surrounding places that didn't get as hard hit, but North Platte, again, 17.4 inches of snow, and it's not quite done there yet. All right, on to the temperatures for today. Not rising much. 30s and 40s for highs, likely to be coldest where the deepest snowpack is here. Warmest up north where some sun's going to come out and there wasn't much snow on the ground. So these areas could get low and maybe mid 40s, but probably mostly lower 40s. Lows tonight down into the mid to upper teens and low to mid 20s. And with those cold temperatures and some of that fresh moisture in the air due to the snow melt, snow or fog could develop out here in southwest and west central Nebraska. Some recovery tomorrow, mid and upper 40s and low 50s for highs. I think those with snow on the ground are going to struggle a little bit more than those without. So I would not be surprised if it's only mid 40s here tomorrow, maybe even low 40s in a few spots out west due to that snow. But it is going to melt rapidly. That snow will melt rapidly tomorrow, but 17 inches is a lot of snow to melt off. Tomorrow night into Sunday morning, as we change the clocks forward an hour, lows in the upper teens and low to mid 20s, and then Sunday looks a lot better. Upper 50s and low to mid 60s. Again, a little cooler where there's still going to be some snow on the ground here over west central and southwest Nebraska. Let's look at the forecast here for the Tri-Cities in the days ahead. Looks better as we go through the weekend into next week. Wednesday into Thursday, rain chances return, and so do cooler temperatures to follow on Thursday, back down into the lower 50s here on Thursday and beyond. Here it looks like 50s will stick around through next weekend, but the moisture will certainly be welcome. I didn't get a new forecast drawn up for the North Platte for the 7-day, so I'll show you the 10-day forecast here. It's similar weather-wise. The only thing is with the rain next week in central Nebraska around the Tri-Cities, there might be some snow later next week in the North Platte area. Western portions of our area may see some snow as it looks a little cooler, but we'll see with that. If it's only this cool in the upper 40s and low 50s, there may not be as much snow here. But I think if there is snow, this temperature is probably going to be a little colder down here. So we'll see how that plays out. But hope you all have a wonderful weekend and hopefully enjoyed the moisture, even if it is snow. But I will see you all again on Monday, where hopefully there'll be a lot less snow on the ground by that point, and the weather will turn a lot nicer by that point. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all again on Monday morning with all the latest. Take care, and God bless. Bye.